Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. The other day in one of my classes, I had one of those weird moments that doesn't come along that often. A couple of students who had just met each other for the first time were chatting, and one of them explained that it was her birthday tomorrow, at which point the other student said, "Oh, that's weird, it's my birthday too." The first student said, "Oh, really? Oh, it is weird, isn't it? How old are you going to be, if you don't mind me asking?" 34, the second student replied. 34? Oh, me too. That's very spooky, the first student said. If you describe something as being spooky in this context, you mean it's a coincidence that's both strange and maybe a little bit frightening. I'll give you a couple of other examples. Many years ago, I was in a bar in Bali and I got talking to a guy who was obviously English, and I asked him where he was from. And he said, you probably won't know my hometown, but the last few years I've been living in Lewisham in South London. I said, "Oh, really? That's a bit weird. I was also living in Lewisham. Whereabouts in Lewisham?" And he said, "Do you know Marischal Road?" And I was like, "Get out of here. That's where I was living as well." "Which number were you living at?" "Number 37. "Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I was living at number 31. So basically, we were living like 3 doors apart for years in southeast London. I never saw him knowingly. He never knowingly saw me. And then, by some very weird coincidence, we ended up meeting in a bar in Southeast Asia. Ooh, spooky. What are the odds? One other example, a student of mine told me last year that she'd been quite ill and she'd been to see 2 or 3 doctors to get second opinions, and every doctor she consulted basically told her that she should try to go to this one particular specialist. And she managed to track this guy down, and it turned out that he lived in the block next to hers. I responded to this by saying, "Whoa, spooky. What a weird coincidence." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use spooky.